And congratulations, this is how the final Instagram profile could look like. I added the images that we created. All these photos took us less than an hour to create. And now that you're comfortable using Stable Diffusion and Midjourney, you can imagine how much content you can create for your AI influencer. And now I believe that you are confident to go and create your own AI influencer and be able to make this kind of content for a whole week in an hour without changing outfits, without having to take photos of yourself, and use this AI model for your brand, for your business, or to promote your products. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please leave a review for the course. If you have any questions, please contact me. You can find the contact detail on the website. And just follow us at AI Influencer Academy for more informations about our course, because we will be updating it soon. I will add a new chapter in this course, which is about Photoshop and how to use their AI algorithm to expand photos, to correct mistakes, and that is going to be a skill that is going to take your already knowledge to the next level. So you'll be able to create even more professional, even more realistic images for your AI influencer. I hope you have enjoyed this. Thank you.